Hi guys, this is Desmond coming to you with another technical breakdown for cable and dollar yen. So let's get straight into it. Now, starting with cable from the daily time frame, just reminding you of the key daily levels we have. The daily level at 127.45, 126.30, and 121. What we can see recently, so far this week and late last week, is that price has been rejecting this daily level around 126.30. You can see the candlesticks that we have been printing in the zone. Very strong rejection candlesticks on the 9th and the 10th, putting in a doji day here. Then on the 13th of July, coming into this week, we did see the sellers step in from those highs. Printed a sort of doji candlestick on the 14th, and then moving into yesterday, we did move into the level once more, and we printed a sort of shooting star shooting star candlestick, illustrating that sellers are protecting this level, and we are likely to see further downside. Now, it was also interesting to note that we had the DXY actually move down to weekly levels, key weekly levels around 95.77, I believe, after which we did actually see buyers step in at that level, and the DXY actually started to move higher out of that support zone. If we drop down to the hourly chart, what we can see here is yesterday price attempting to move higher. We're seeing the bulls step in, but we were looking at this key zone as a sort of level where we were expecting sellers to step in on the hourly time frame. What we can see here is we did push into the zone, started to print some indecision candles, and we did put in a strong bearish engulfing candle, after which price did move lower. Price currently breaking back below that 126 mark and currently at 125.52. Now, going into today, I'm going to be very much looking at price potentially moving, doing something like that. If we do continue to see the dollar strength continue as the DXY rises out of those support levels. Key levels will be the zones as well as the pivot point levels. One being the intraday pivot at 125.95, S1 at 125.40. We also have S2 tying in with this support zone down around 124.93. Moving averages, we can currently see that we've got the 21 moving average just crossing below the 50 EMA, price now below the 200 moving average as well. It's also going to be quite a busy day fundamentally, so we will have some sterling news in the form of BOE credit conditions survey, as well as having some US data being released later on in the session. And moving on to dollar yen, what we can actually see here is that dollar yen has been moving downwards overall. We've got a bearish sort of trend line in here, sort of a spike upwards on the 14th of July. But we really have been trending downwards for the most part. We're seeing that yen strength come in. These are the key levels that we were looking at yesterday. So what we've gone and done is we've broken below that level of support around 107.10, and we have actually come in to test the next key level that we were looking at around 106.68. Buyers have stepped in, and we are currently sitting around 106.95. Now, going into today, I think we could potentially move in this direction. If we start to see price move into this level, then we could start to see sellers stepping back in. If price does break above the zone, then I think the next key level will be that resistance up around 107.40. Now, in terms of key pivot point levels, we have price just at that intraday pivot level around 106.95. Now, do remember that this level has been a sort of key pivot level for the past 4 to 5 days. We can see price breaking through, coming to test that level as resistance. We've got R1 around 107.26. We've also got S1 tying in with this support zone down below at 106.62. We will have core retail sales, and unemployment claims, as well as the Philly Fed manufacturing index being released later on today. That's going to be it from me, guys, in terms of in terms of the market outlook for these two assets. Do have a great trading day. Thank you.